Hi there, this is Ms. McNeil from the library, and today I'm going to give you a 2-minute tutorial on how to create hanging indents in a Google Doc. So I've pulled up a database article, and because I'm using this article for my research, I need to, of course, cite it on my references page in my research paper. I'm going to go to Citation Tools. I'm going to make sure I've selected APA, and I'm going to highlight the citation. I can also click Select. I'm going to press Control C to copy the citation. I'm going to go to my Google Drive and open a new Google Doc. I'm going to press Control V to paste the citation. First, I have to make sure that my citation is Times New Roman, 12 point, and I'm going to change the line spacing under the Format tab to double. Next, I'm going to move my mouse over to the ruler where you'll see a small triangle and a small rectangle. I'm going to hold my mouse at the bottom of the small triangle until I see a box that says Left Indent. I'm going to left click and hold on my mouse. I'm going to move that line to the right until it gets to 0.5, and then I'm going to let go of the left side of the mouse. I'm going to then go back to the little blue rectangle, hold my mouse over the rectangle until it says First Line Indent. I'm going to left click on the mouse again and hold it down until I see the blue line and the measurement box. I'm going to then move my mouse to the left until it gets to 0 and then let go. And there is my hanging indent in a Google Doc. If you have any questions, please stop by the library to see us.